Bluetooth Easy Connect. Wireless headphones earbud style with wireless Easy Connect works with iPhone and Android Bluetooth devices. Secure and comfortable fit. The nozzle fit earpiece make these earbud headphones stay secure. Sweat and splash proof. Designed to withstand sweat of your powerful workout. 3-button remote with mic. Pause, play, skip track, volume up, volume down. S/M size earpieces included. Included components: 1 headphone set. Top reviews from the United States. Great for cycling. I absolutely love these for cycling. Most earbuds don't work well on the bike. I like to be able to hear some ambient noise around me. I need Bluetooth, but don't want to have one slip out of my ear and get lost while I ride. These are perfect. I actually like that they are connected to each other, so I won't lose one. The controls are good. The sound is good enough. The price is amazing. Top marks.